It is Tuesday, the 26th of September. We have gotten in several new yarns. Some of them I have shown you already. This one I have not shown you. It is Tulla Tweed by Louisa Harding. Tulla Tweed. It is, do you see the tweed in it? It's also a gradient, so the color moves through it. It is 18 stitches, so it's a worsted weight yarn, and it is 49% wool, 26 cotton, 13 nylon, 8 acrylic, 4 viscose. So it is recycled. It's merino wool with recycled cotton and eco-friendly recycled nylon. So all that's good news. It is a cable construction. And there are 300, 300, where is my number? 382 yards for $30. So squishy, so big, so awesome. And I have several patterns that are suggestions for this from Louisa Harding. So let me show you the colors I got and then what you can make with them, or you could mix and match. You don't have to stick with what the pattern says, right? So this is Florence, done in 2 shades of the Tulla Tweed. It goes anywhere from 2 to 3. The biggest size needs 3 of each. So this colorway is this and this combined. Just lovely. Very subtle, very quiet. The tweed is consistent. However, the color gradients are different, right? Love that. So this one's good. That's pullover. I think it's very, very cute. I like it. Then there is this gorgeous shawl called Hannah, also done in 2 colors. Can you see it? So beautiful. This one requires 2 colors, 1 of Paisley and 2 of Lachlan. So this is Paisley, so 1 of these and 2 of these, more of a blue-green. So that's cool. So that's 3 balls. So nice. Louisa Harding, Tulla Tweed. And then this is a big sweater. I'm not sure I'd want it quite that long or sleeves quite that long, but if you pulled it up, that probably would be as good as, unless you're, 6 feet tall and have at it. I am not. I used to be 5'2", but not so much anymore. Closer to 5'1". Anyway, that is done in this color, which is a secret. It is Fingal. So this is more of like a rainbow, right? So that is this. It goes anywhere from, for this sweater, the smallest size, which is a 42.5, which would cover a lot of people. That's 4 skeins in the Fingal, 4 skeins. So the next size up, 46, is 5. So anyway, love that. I do not have this colorway of this vest, which is the Lillian. However, you could make this vest in any one of the patterns. There's lovely detail on the front and down the back, which makes it interesting. Vests are in this year, you guys. Vests are in. It only takes 2 balls of Tulla Tweed, so you could do it in any of these colors, right? This is an additional color I have not shown you. So kind of pink, burgundy, red, yellow, pale yellow. I like that. And then last but not least, there is a beret and scarf, which looks great. Again, you could do it in any color. I don't have the particular colors that they've chosen. It takes 2 balls as well to do both. So there you go. I think, wait, both. Tension, beret, scarf, yes, yes, yes. All right. That's it for tonight. Louisa Harding, Tulla Tweed, $30 a skein, and beautiful. Again, those Christmas projects, you could redo that and do another one of our patterns. It's worsted weight. You could create your own. Use your imagination. It's always good. Or get us to help. We're all good at that. All right. Have a wonderful evening. It's been overcast all day, but a little touch of fall in the air. It's all good. All right. Tuesday, I will see you tomorrow, Wednesday.